Hi everybody, it's Kelly from iCraft Vinyl, and I'm back today with another Cricut Design Space tip for you, and this is a good one. Have you ever wondered why your script text doesn't actually look like script text? So let me show you how you can fix that. As you see right now, these little handles on the end of the letters, they should be connected to the letter next to it, making it, a script text. So you could use your little arrows here on your letter space to go ahead and make sure everything is touching. See, and then you can actually change the color here so you can see a little bit better where your lines actually touch the next letter. And then what you're going to want to do here, if you're happy where all of your letters are touching, let me go ahead and get this color panel out of the way. You're going to go ahead and click on your text here, and then down at the bottom of your little layers panel here, there is an option to weld your text. And what that's going to do is connect all of these letters. If you see here, let me go ahead and go back real quick. All of these connections here have an extra line that would cut out if you went and left it like this. So you want to make sure you get rid of that line. And the way to do that is to select the text and weld it. And this creates just one piece of text that now says happy. And we can do the same thing with this fall right here. I'm gonna go, oh, I'm sorry, ring button. Gonna go ahead and make our letters smaller. And actually what you can do too, because as you see here, I can make all of these letters touch my A, L, and L, but it's gonna keep that F all the way over here, and I wanna move that a little bit closer. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna click ungroup, make sure my text is selected, click ungroup in my layers panel here, and then I can either use my arrows on my keyboard to move it over, or just use my mouse to move it over. And that way it's a little bit closer. It actually looks like the word is supposed to be together. And then I'm gonna select both the F and the ALL. And then again, I'm just gonna go down here to my weld. And now it is all one image that you can size and cut out. Make sure you're following along at facebook.com/iCraftVinyl for more tips and tricks like this one.